Good evening, everyone. So today I will be constructing two weather instruments. The weather instrument are a rain gauge and a wind vane. The first one that I will be constructing is the wind vane. So here I have my materials for my wind vane. Materials are here. Good. So this here I cut out this wrong circle here and I use a compass to measure it. Right, so I get 4 equal sides here I have, and on it here, as you can see, I place my direction. I both have south, I have north, and then I have east, then west at the end here. Right, so now I'm going to start. So first of all, I use a pencil here to hold the top. Put it here. Pencil. Then, so I have this here so far. Then I have a straw. Right? So, straw. I take a little cut and I cut here. Cut here. Right? So I cut here. I have a little piece of paper that I cut out, an arrow pointed paper, like a triangular paper. So I place it right where I cut here. Good. So this here now is the arrow. Right? So now I will place this at the top here. I use a pin because I don't have no tack at the moment. So I use a pin to put it at the top here, put it on the eraser, and boops, there I have a wind vane. Right, so the wind vane, as the breeze blow now, the straw will turn towards which direction the wind is blowing. So remember we have the direction here. So this wind vane, it is used for telling us or showing us which direction the wind is blowing from. So now I'm going to construct the rain gauge. So I have a bottle, a big 2-liter bottle here. So I'm going to cut now. So I'm going to cut on this line here. So yes, so I finished cutting this here, the bottle. So now I place this funnel at the top. This is the bottle top that I cut off, so it's in the funnel. Place it here, and then I wrote up my measuring tape. So rainfall is measured in centimeter or millimeters. So here we have millimeters, right? 0 millimeters to 190 millimeters. So 10 millimeters is 1 centimeters. So I'm going to place this here now quickly on the bottle. Place it from here to here quickly. Good. So there it is on. It's based on there, as you can see. So good. There my rain gauge. It's finished. So a rain gauge, it is used to measure the amount of rainfall for a given period of time. Weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a given period of time and location. For example, today at noon, Diamond and Grove area experienced a heavy rainfall with high wind. Right, so that is the amount, that is a location and the area at a given time. Both the wind vane and the rain gauge can be used to deliver the concept weather to my student by displaying the models to my student when doing weather types. While doing this, I will let them know these instruments are used to measure types of weather, two types of weather. The rain gauge is used for the rainy weather and the wind vane is used for the windy weather. After explaining how they are used, I will give them the opportunity to put both weather instruments in the school environment to get the result on the rainfall and which direction the wind is blowing from. That is how it will deliver the concept weather. So here the wind vane. When this is placed in the environment, this arrow here, when the wind starts to blow, this arrow here will eventually start to move. So when it moves now, and for example it stick here, it stick at south direction here now, that means that the wind is blowing from the south direction, right? So that is how it is used. Now the rain gauge. The rain gauge, as we place this here in the environment, we can dig like a little hole and place it in for it not to fall down. Place it there. As the rain fall now, the rain will eventually go in through here, through the funnel, and it will start to fall up here. Right, so as it fall now, each day you will check and see how much rainfall had fall for that day. You will check, for example, sometime when the rain fall today, now you go and check tomorrow morning, and then probably you see some rainfall in here, and then it's to 30 millimeters. So therefore 30 millimeters of rainfall had fall for that given day.